It is called a cult book because it was written 45 years ago by my father and my sweet sister. And it was sold at 350,000 in 6 countries, including Japan, still used all over the world by professional and amateur alike.
What should readers expect from this new edition?
This new edition has almost twice the number of pages, but many more illustrations. The illustrations are so beautiful that it's make a great gift to offer.
Who is this recipe book ideal for?
It's ideal for professional and amateur alike in the way it's very pleasantly written. Strangely, when you are progressing in your recipe and you have questions in your mind, the next paragraph is answering the question. It is a great tool to succeed the recipes because of its pedagogy. My sweet sister, who was not a French-trained chef, had always the reader in mind.
Can you talk about your father's legacy and approach to cuisine?
In cuisine and pastry, my father was a perfectionist. He was always looking for the best possible recipes and ingredients. He always told me, if you can please the 5% most demanding of your customer, you will please all of them. He also added sometimes the customer is always right, especially when he's wrong.
How did your father shape your approach to cuisine?
Good question. Despite of his legendary name, my father was an humble man. He always thinks that he had more to learn. Testing, experimenting, researching was always a duty for him, but also a pleasure.
How did your father's traditions live on at Culinary Institute Lenotre?
Education for him was an obsession, and this is the reason why he accepted my vision in a blink of the eyes to open the first French culinary art retraining school in Paris in 1971. We were far to imagine at that time that we will export our savoir-faire in the USA someday. The way we did it in Houston was in following Gaston Lenôtre principle that the customer should be always first. Our students should be always first. This made us reach the rank of #1 culinary art college in America 3 years on the row. My father never had a chance to visit our university, but I am sure that from the paradise of the pastry chef, he must be proud of the way we follow his trace.